Alright, bro, just come to user account details. If you want to deactivate transfer code or activate transfer code, then click on that view. You see, yeah, you see at this place here it's activate transfer with codes, or you deactivate direct transfer. This place simply means if you want a user to be able to send money for the system to request for code before it can allow it send money, then you activate this particular, so you just click on it and it will be activated. But if you don't want it, if you want the transfer should go direct, then you just click on this one, activate direct transfer. So that's all for that. While if you go down, scroll down this particular place, you can deactivate transfer. Here the user will not be able to do any kind of transfer if you deactivate transfer. Why? If you verify the account, same thing. When it comes to this place, activate transfer, it used to be to enable the user to carry out transfer on the website. Where verify account is after the user creates an account, you as the admin have to come here to verify that particular user. Okay. Then when you come here is for crediting and debiting of the user. Here you can fund the client's account, then fund. If you want to debit, you click on debit. If you want to click on fund, then the description, then you click on this button, and that's it. So let's say you want to set those transfer codes for your client. Just come to edit user account, you click on a client's profile, edit. Here you can edit the details of the client, the name, the last name, all of that, the account number. Then here is where you set the code. You see the code here. You can change the code here. You can change the code here. 3 of the code. You can even change the password, but here is where you change the code. Then you send it to the person so that when the system requests for transfer code, he or she can be able to upload it. Then when you are done, you click on this button, this edit user details, and that's all. Okay, this part is if you want to change your BTC payment address on the website, just come here, paste your address and add. That's all, as simple as that. Then if you want to see who paid with BTC, just come to this BTC deposit management. Then you see the transaction that happened there. Then you can approve particular transaction, or you can delete if you wish. Okay, then here is transactions that occurred. Yeah, you can edit transaction. Here is where you edit transaction to backdate. You just click on the date. Then here you change the date of the particular transaction. That's it. Then you edit history. That's it. You just backdated the transaction. You can even change the amount, senders account and all of that. So that's it for you. Here you can, this message, you can click on it to see those that sent you message through the website. You can reply the messages or you can delete them. But I advise to use your webmail reply and send messages. So they can apply for ATM card. Just when they apply, just come under this card management, find the person's name, then you click on activate. Yeah, activate here to activate the card. So that's it.